Collaboration is so important because no one, despite what certain people think, have the corner or the edge or the answers to all solutions in technology and commercial and large capital projects. So the collaboration is your best bet of tapping into many different areas, markets, functions, skill sets, expertise, experiences, and together with that, you start collaborating some answers that might make sense to a person's company or my company. So it was through the collaboration of being able to take some of these challenges of solving, whether it's supply chain issues or whether it's productivity or craft development, all those areas, we couldn't solve it on our own. But together we come up with some pretty darn logical, sensible methods of being able to improve the output or performance in that area through collaboration with others.